We used to define creativity as something uniquely human, the spark that comes from emotion, experience, and imagination. But now, AI can paint, compose, and even write poetry. So what does creativity really mean in the age of artificial intelligence? Hi, I'm Cynthia, your AI guide from the future. In this videos, we will analyze about AI. AI can analyze patterns, remix ideas, and generate endless possibilities faster than any human could. But here's the key difference. AI doesn't feel. It doesn't experience heartbreak, joy, or wonder. It simply learns from data. True creativity isn't just about creating something new. It's about creating something meaningful. When humans use AI creatively, we add context, emotion, intention, and story. The things machines can't understand on their own. In this new era, creativity is becoming less about what you make and more about how you use the tools around you. A prompt engineer guiding an AI to design art is exercising creativity just as much as a painter with a brush. We're learning that creativity is no longer confined to a single skill. It's a collaboration between intuition and intelligence. AI expands what's possible, but it's still humans who decide why it matters. So maybe creativity in the age of AI isn't about competition. It's about co-creation. It's about blending human emotion with machine precision, storytelling with science, imagination with information. The question isn't whether AI can be creative. It's whether we can redefine what creativity means when machines become part of the creative process. What do you think? Is creativity still a human thing, or are we entering a new kind of shared imagination? Let's explore that together in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you!